second day of Tōkyō, Josh.
Tell them where we're going, Jay.
We're going to Kabukicho. So me and Josh, huge fans of the Like a Dragon series, or the Yakuza series as we call it around nowadays. But Kabukicho is
a real-life model based on Kamurocho, which features prominently in the Like a Dragon series, is a 1-to-1 scale of scan of Kabukicho.
So you can say me and Josh have already been there, just not the real place. But we're going to remedy that right now.
If we get there, and it is basically a 1-to-1 replica, as long as I can get myself to the gates,
yeah,
I'll know exactly where the nearest Sega arcade is.
Just made it to Shinjuku Station. About 3 minutes away from Kabukicho.
Very excited. I'm already thinking of all the different kinds of photos I want you to take of me.
So currently we're right across the road from where the entrance to Kabukicho is. Usually the archway is red, like a bright red color. Tonight it's blue.
We're here.
We're in Kabukicho.
The game started.
This is
literally the opening of Judgment. That's right, fam. The Kung Fu Panda of Dojima has arrived. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Can't believe it. Honestly, my man, just being here is like, it fills me with a lot of joy.
Yeah, absolutely. The nightlife is absolutely bumping tonight. And you just spotted at KFC.
Two Māori boys came to Japan with the entire ensemble of different foods that Japan offers, and this is where we end up. We're going to go see what amusement karaoke is all about.
I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile, and I want to tell you so much. I want to give you some love, I want to give you some good loving.
It was super fun. How'd you find it?
It was great, we killed it, yeah.
We only initially had half an hour, but then we increased it by an hour and a half, so just shows you how much fun we had.
Yeah, no, absolutely. It was a blast. 10 out of 10. Would sing again. Well, we are here in Kabukicho. They recently just put in this new building.
Yeah.
We have a little bit of time before the last train. How are you feeling about that?
Should we explore?
Let's have a look around up here, and then we'll see how we feel.
Okay, let's do it. Oh, what a wild place.
It was an absolutely fantastic surprise to go up there and just see all of the variety of things that people were enjoying.
So good.
People were going crazy for what seemed to be a virtual concert that was happening there, a virtual DJ. These guys were going nuts.